What's going on, everybody? Ladies and gentlemen, SimplyPops back at it again with another unboxing video. And today I'm going to be unboxing the Mixer E9 Active Noise Cancellation headphones. I do have some headphones. I have my Beats here. These are the Solo 3. And I also have my Bose here. These are the Sound Trues. You guys can see they kind of ate up. And I use these headphones every day. From editing videos, talking to my friends on PS4. Yeah, this has been through war. And I had these since 2016. I just got these last Christmas, or oh man, last year already. It's been a year since I had these, and I kept these clean, and I only use these for listening to music. But these right here, these are going to be the perfect middle headphones. So these might be my first real true active noise cancellation headphones. The Sound Trues, which are the Bose here, these are supposed to be noise cancellation, but it's no kind of battery, so I don't think it's true active noise cancellation. But these right here, and especially I'm going to LA soon, so I don't want to be hearing the airplane. These came in perfect time. Active noise cancellation tech, 30-hour playtime. It has a 40mm large drivers. It's wireless and wired, so that's very, very good. And also it's foldable and adjustable, and it has a compact carrying case. You guys can see, so it's a hybrid between wired and wireless. You have some Mixer branding on the side there. The back, you have some more specifications, some more details in different languages here. And without further ado, let's open up this bad boy. Now you can pick this up for $80, which is not a bad price comparing to competition like $200. It's not gonna really break the bank, especially with Beats. You're paying an arm and a leg for that one. So we're gonna see how the sound quality is and see how this headphone looks. That new tech smell, you guys know what I mean. So right out the box, you got the case. Alright guys, so I have my Beats case here. This is not the exact one. This is from my studio Beats. I just put my solos in there. And these are the Sound Trues from Bose. So just about the same as the Bose case. I like the small factor of the Beats case better than these two here. But hey, it is what it is. So let's unzip it. Let's see what's inside. 9 times out of 10 the headphones. Spoiler alert. And the zipper is nice and smooth. Nice little strap. So it's going to protect it. Very, very comfortable memory foam. Okay, you have your noise cancellation switch here. And as you guys can see, you have your jack there, your headphone port there. On the other side, you have your on-off switch, micro USB. And as you guys can see, there's an up and a down button right there. Very, very simple. And also, you have your cables, okay. Oh, extra warranty. So this is just to claim your warranty. I'm going to do that after this video. And then you have your airplane port. So this is your airplane plugs. You guys, if you've been in an airplane before, you always have those two jacks together. So all you gotta do is just plug it in and then take your jack, right? Take this, plug it in, and then plug it into your headphones. Very, very simple unboxing. Of course, you have your logo there, Mixcoder. I never heard of these guys. I'm always excited to try out new headphones because I want to see how they sound. Something that sounds different. When I heard the Bose for the first time, it was just different. It was a unique experience. The Beats, first time hearing Beats, it was a unique experience. So now these are the new headphones. We're going to take it to my iPhone here, and we're going to see if it's detected. We're going to press and hold the power button. Okay, so you press and hold the power button, and it's going to put it in pairing mode, and then you guys can see it right there on the fly. I'm going to be playing 2 Chainz. The Ariana Grande and 2 Chainz song is so fire. I like that Kendrick song. Oh, wait. And then this thing is ready to go. So I'm going to switch the camera angles, and you guys are going to see my reaction. First time hearing the Mixer E9s. And yeah, in terms of design, it looks very, very good. It looks very, very studio-y. It looks very, very studio-y. You know, nice little metallic finish. Shiny metal finish. It looks premium. To some, it might look like ordinary headphones, but these ear cuffs here make it look a little different. Very, very comfortable. They call those over ear, so it's literally over my ear. So, you know, it's like I'm immersed into the sound. So we're playing Rule the World by 2 Chainz. So we have it on like 50%. As you guys can see. I should play a bass heavy song, but I can't even hear myself. Used to. You get home like you used to. And realize we could rule the world. Alright, max volume. Max volume. Right, but Jesus. Cases. Woo! Feel the minimum destination, that's my destination. I'm trying to sing the lyrics, but I really don't know it. It's just a fire song. Um, it sounds like I can't even hear myself like talk when the music is playing. And that's obvious when you have max volume. But that's not even with active noise cancellation on. Maximum volume, but we're gonna try out the active noise cancellation. We just switch it on. Bust down, Tatiana. Bust down, Tatiana. Pick it up, then broke that shit down. Lead it up and throw that shit down on the game. Bust it, bust it, bust it, bust it, bust it, bust it down on the game, bust it. I realized when I flip the switch to active noise cancellation, it sounds more louder, more basser and more crisper. It sounds crisp with it off, but it sounds a lot louder with noise cancellation on. I wish you guys can hear it. Pick it up, now break that shit down. Break it down. Speed it up, now slow that shit down on the game. I was about to test out the wire, but I realized my phone doesn't have a headphone jack. But thankfully, I got the S10. Shout out to Samsung for keeping the headphone jack. I'm going to test out the wire capability, see if the sounds improve. Take it to Apple Music. By the way, Apple Music on Android sucks. It's not really as fluid as iOS in my opinion, but that could be just Apple. Shot. But these things sound surprisingly louder on wired. Let me see if I can get my iPhone dongle and see if it's the same thing on the iPhone. I really can't find a dongle. I think there's one in my car though. Hold on, I'll be right back. It's so hard to find these little dongles. These little dongles. Okay. By the way, the wire is kind of thin. I wish it was braided, but braided cables probably cost more money. So yeah, it sounds louder when you plug it in wired, but it might sound a little distorted for some people. Although when you play it on Bluetooth, it's not as distorted, but it's crystal clear. It's crystal clear. Yeah, I mean they sound fantastic. I can't even hear myself think. I'm just so immersed into the music. The active noise cancellation, it does work. I don't recommend walking around in public with noise cancellation headphones. I mean, depends on you, but you want to be aware of your surroundings. But overall, it's a great headphones, and I think at the price at $80, it's not too bad. I mean, way better than the competition in terms of pricing. These headphones are comfortable. They're easy to pair up. You know, I like the fact that it include a headphone port and a headphone jack for the most part, and I like the way that they look. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I wish maybe they come out with some different color options. I wish they came with a braided cable, although you can provide your own cable if you like. So if this one gets messed up, you can buy a different cable. Okay, you guys see that? The battery indicator is on the phone, so you see the E9 is on 80%. So yeah, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, I recommend this headphones. I mean, if I had to put it on the scale of 1 to 10, I'm going to give this an 8 out of 10. I gotta say thank you so much for Mixer for sending these out for a review. I gave my honest opinion. These things, oh, it can fold down. That was my real reaction too, by the way. I was about to say I wish it can fold down for better. I do see in the air cuffs probably losing its wear and tear throughout time, throughout sweat, and I wouldn't say these are gym headphones. I would say these are casual headphones on a day-to-day traveling headphones, but heavy use, I see myself, the air cuffs are probably gonna mess up. If you guys did enjoy, I appreciate it with a thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys think, and also the question of the day: what is the bassiest song you ever heard? Let me know down in the comments. I'm very curious to know. And yeah, make sure you guys subscribe with notifications on. And other than that, your boy Pops, and I'm out. Peace.